In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up cryptocurrency payments on Whop. Whether you're new to Whop or just looking to expand your payment options, we've got you covered. Let's dive right into the process, starting from the very beginning. To get started, you'll need to head over to Whop and log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll have to create an account first. But if you're already registered, simply use your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of features available to you, but today we're going to focus on setting up your payment preferences. From your dashboard, locate and click on Settings. This section holds the key to controlling how you manage transactions on Whop. As you click through, you'll see a sub-menu. From there, select Payments. This is where we'll be configuring our cryptocurrency payment settings, a task that is both straightforward and essential for those engaging with digital currencies. Now, the next step is to select your preferred crypto payment option. Whop offers a couple of choices here. You have Coinbase and other crypto providers. Take a moment to think about which platform you might already be using or wish to explore further, as this will be pivotal for connecting your crypto wallet later on. Before proceeding, it's important to verify your identity. Whop may need you to provide a government ID. This is a standard security measure aimed at verifying who you are and ensuring that both parties in the transaction are protected. Further, be prepared to verify your email and phone number. You might also encounter some Know Your Customer or KYC steps requirements laid down by your chosen crypto provider. These steps might feel a bit redundant if you're used to fiat transactions, but they play a critical role in maintaining the security and legitimacy of crypto transactions. After your identity is verified, you'll move on to connecting your crypto wallet. This can be done by entering your wallet address manually or by logging in via your crypto provider. It's crucial to ensure that the wallet address is accurate to avoid any mishaps with transferring funds. Once your wallet is linked, pat yourself on the back because you're almost done. Now, let's discuss setting up your payout preferences. Here, you have the power to choose which cryptocurrency best suits your needs. Options like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, or Tether USDT are popular choices, but select the one that aligns with your strategy. Additionally, you can decide how frequently you'd like payouts to occur, be it daily, weekly, or monthly. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up your cryptocurrency payment configuration on Whop. Keep in mind that the world of crypto is dynamic, so it pays off to stay updated on any changes in provider policies or cryptocurrency trends. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.